Creating an email template in Klaviyo is straightforward and allows you to design personalized and professional emails for your campaigns. Here's how to create one. Log into Klaviyo. Open your Klaviyo account. Go to the email template section. From the dashboard, navigate to the email templates tab located in the campaign section. Create a new template. Click the Create Template button. You will have the option to choose a blank template or a pre-built template from Klaviyo's library. Select one based on your preference. Design your template. Drag and drop editor. Use Klaviyo's drag and drop editor to add text blocks, images, buttons, and product recommendations. Customize content. Modify the text, add your brand's logo, adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand style. Dynamic content. Use dynamic tags like first name to personalize the email for each recipient. You can also display personalized product recommendations or discounts. Preview and test. Before sending, preview your template across desktop and mobile devices. You can also send a test email to see how it looks. Save and use. Once satisfied with the design, click Save to save your template. You can now use this template for future campaigns or flows.